I own ETFs that pay me 14%. So why do I keep putting my money into one that pays barely 3? This one, SCHD. It's boring, it's slow, and it might be the holding I trust the most. Let me show you why, honestly. Welcome back to the journey. If you're new here, I started investing at 32 with no plan and no one to explain it to me. So I'm building it in public now, from the real beginning, with my own money. Small numbers, honest steps, no hype. If that's the version you want, subscribe and grow with me. Here's the thing nobody tells you. My QQQI pays me a huge 14% yield, and I actually broke down exactly how that one works in another video. I'll point to it at the end if you want the full story. But here's the short version. High yield comes with high risk. SCHD is the opposite. It pays around 3%. That sounds small. Boring even. But SCHD isn't here to excite me. It's here to make me feel safe. And there's a difference between a holding that thrills you and a holding that lets you sleep at night. Let me show you the real picture, not theory. Last quarter, SCHD paid me $1.88. This quarter, $8.60. And I'm not going to pretend that's some huge number. It's not. But here's what makes it matter. I'm showing you the real beginning. Most channels show you their $300,000 portfolio and tell you they make $1,000 a month. Cool, but you can't copy that. You can copy this. $8.60, starting small, built honestly. That's the part nobody shows you. And I'll be honest about why my dividend jumped from under $2 to over 8. It's not magic. Last quarter I held about 7 shares. This quarter, 34. I just kept buying. The income grew because I added shares. Same honest truth every single time. Here's something most channels won't mention. The actual payout per share this quarter slightly went down, from 25.69 cents to 25.25 cents. SCHD's dividend isn't a fixed number. It moves quarter to quarter. So even though I'm getting more total, the per share dipped a little. I'd rather tell you that than pretend everything only goes up. So why do I keep buying something this slow? Because SCHD holds quality. Solid, established American companies that have paid and grown dividends for years. It's grown its dividend for over a decade straight. The expense ratio is tiny. It's not chasing the flashiest, riskiest yields. It's built on stability. When the market gets scary, and it will, this is the kind of holding I won't panic about. That peace of mind is worth more to me than chasing every high number. And quick thing, SCHD just did its quarterly rebalance, leaning a bit more into steady quality names. I'm not going to bore you with every holding, but it tells me the fund's still doing exactly what I trust it to do. Keep quality, stay disciplined. That's all I need to know to keep buying. Now I want to be clear. This is not one of my high-income plays like QQQI or JEPQ. SCHD is my growth plus stability piece. The foundation, not the fireworks. A real portfolio needs both, something that excites you and something that steadies you. SCHD is my steady, and I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm showing you why it earns its place in my portfolio. Your situation is your own. Every dividend, the boring 3% ones and the exciting 14% ones, pushes me toward my first goal, $100 a month in passive income. But that's only half the journey. The other half is growing my whole portfolio to $15,000, and that doesn't come from dividends alone. It comes from everything together. My growth ETFs, my contributions, and these dividends compounding over time. Two goals, one journey, and SCHD plays a part in both. Steady income now, steady growth for later. It won't get me there fast, but it'll get me there safely. And safe, for me, wins. So if you want to see my highest paying ETF, the one paying me that 14%, go watch my QQQI video next. It's the perfect companion to this one. And next up, I'll show you exactly what my JEPQ dividend paid me, my other high income holding. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If you want to follow this whole journey, the boring parts and the exciting parts, all honest, subscribe and tell me below. Are you team high yield, team stability, or like me, a bit of both? This is Grow and Explore with me. No hype, no fear, just the honest climb. Grow and explore with me.